This lesson introduces you to a new set of adjectives called the demonstratives. As the name implies, they're going to point out things. In English, this is the this and that, and the plurals these and those. So if I want to say those men are bad, those is a demonstrative. Now, as adjectives, they're going to decline. We're going to have a number of different forms. We're going to have to use all cases, all numbers, and all genders. So as we did with other adjectives, we're going to give the masculine, the feminine, and the neuter in this order, and the cases, as you've come to know them, nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and ablative. Now, a couple of things first. The first one we'll run into is hic, haec, hoc, this. Now, at first glance, this may look very, very odd, but I assure you that this is really pretty close to first and second declension adjectives. So, hic, haec, hoc, the genitive is the first thing that you'll notice is strange. Huius. This ius genitive is actually not all that uncommon in Latin. And you'll notice that it's the same for the masculine, the feminine, and neuter. So hic, haec, hoc, this man, this woman, this thing, huius, huius, huius. And now the genitive you'll also notice is very strange, huic. And actually the ending here is I with an added C, which comes from the archaic ke, meaning that, and this pointed is a pointing word. It's called a deictic. It's shortened to huic, and it's again the same for the masculine, the feminine, and the neuter. So huic, huic, huic. And then from this point on, it's actually almost a normal first and second declension adjective. You get hunk, so we again keep this deictic C, this pointer. The accusative neuter is going to be the same as the nominative as usual. But otherwise you get what looks an awful lot like hum, but that C shifts that M to an N. So hunk, hank, hook. And then the ablative hook, hack, hook. These look like ablative endings, long O, long A, long O, with that deictic C, that pointer. So hic, haec, hoc, huius, 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 huic, 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 hunk, hank, hook, hook, hack, hook. The plural is even more regular. In fact, the plural is, other than the neuter nominative plural and accusative plural, this is a first and second declension adjective. So you'll notice the stem is H, and we get he, hi, hike. Okay, this one's not what you'd expect. But otherwise, horum, harum, horum, orum, arum, orum, are genitive plural endings that you're used to. His, his, are dative endings that you're used to. Hos, has, hike, and his, his. So hic, haec, hoc, this is really very close to a first and second declension adjective.